Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Masood Khan along with my team members, and we are student of BBA at Jamia Hamdard, and we are in 6th semester, second year. We have done a group project on analyzing McDonald's company, a comprehensive examination of internal strength and weakness and external opportunities and threats in the consumer electronic industry under the guidance of Dr. Muhammad Jamshed sir, and we have visited two different outlets of McDonald's and asked some questions related to internal and external analysis by using pastel and SWOT analysis. So we are total 6 members in our group. First is Kamar Khair, Farhan Istiaq, Farzan Khan, MD Faizan, Muhammad Asif and me. So in this case study we will discuss about introduction, history, mission, vision, questions and SWOT analysis and pest analysis. So let's start with the introduction. So McDonald's Corporation is an American fast food organization established in 1940, and McDonald's is worth 185 billion today. It is the world's biggest catering network by revenue. It was last registered to be serving 69 million customers each day in more than 120 countries across 39,000 outlets. And the history of McDonald's is in 1948 opened the primary McDonald's, and 1398 Northeast Street at West 14th Street in San California. However, it was not and only burgers, fries and shakes on the menu. No plates or waiters to serve the customers. And seeing the huge demand for McDonald's burger, fries and shakes, Kroc senses a huge opportunity. He soon opening 18 new outlets in the very first year. This has helped the company scale with time, and McDonald's now boasts of serving 2.3 billion burgers a year. So the next topic is mission. McDonald's endeavors hard to be its client, most loved sport and approach to eating with the mission of quality, service, cleanliness and values. The vision of McDonald's is that he had a dream of expanding the franchise across the globe with more than 1,000 outlets. The first international outlet were opened in Canada by January 2018. McDonald's was situated in 120 nations and had about 37,200 cafes with 1.9 million workers. So we have visited two different outlets. One is in Connaught Place and another one is in Karol Bagh. And we have asked some question related to internal and external analysis. We asked same question in both the outlet, and so let's start the case study. Now Kamal Kharel will continue.
Everyone, I am Kamal Kharel, student of Jamia Hamdard. Recently I visited McDonald's outlet with my teammates regarding internal and external analysis of McDonald's. The question that I asked to the McDonald's manager was that what economic factors could affect McDonald's, and the answer that I received was that the economic factors affecting McDonald's include consumer spending bills, currency exchange rates impacting global revenue, fluctuating commodity prices, ingredient cost, labor expenses, minimum wage laws, and many market conditions. Also, inflation affects purchasing power and operating cost and overall economic condition, impacting consumer behavior and sales volumes also. These factors impacts McDonald's profitability and pricing strategies, supply chain management and investment decisions.
So hey there, myself Farhan Ishtiaq, and this was the question that I asked to the manager. What are your competitors' key strengths and weakness? So here's a look at some of their key competitors and their strengths and weakness. Burger King strength: strong brand recognition and global presence, emphasis on flame grilling technique for burgers. Weakness: limited presence in some international market, perception of lower quality ingredients compared to competitors. Then another is Subway. Strengths: largest fast food chain by number of locations globally, customizable sandwiches catering to diverse tastes. Weaknesses: declining sale and store closure in recent years, increased competition from fast casual restaurants. So now Farzan will continue.
Hey there, I am Farzan Khan. I have asked strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats of McDonald's from the manager. Strength, global brand recognitions and presence, strong supply chain management, efficient franchising model. Weaknesses, vulnerability to changes in customer tastes and performances, higher dependence on franchising income, opportunities, expansion into emerging markets, health and wellness trends introducing healthier menu options, threats, intense competition from other fast food chains and emerging food delivery services, fluctuations in commodity prices impacting food costs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is MD Faizan and these was the questions that I asked from the McDonald's manager. I asked about postal analysis. Postal analysis, political, regulation related to food safety and health standard, tax policies affecting the food industry, economic downturn impacting consumer spending on dating out, currency exchange rates affecting international operations, social, changing consumer preference towards healthier eating habits, increasing concern for sustainability and environmental practices, technology, digitalization of ordering and delivery service, automation and artificial intelligence is streaming operation and pressure to adopt sustainable sourcing practice, climate change impacting agriculture and food safety chain, legal compliance with food safety regulations, employment law and regulations. These analysis provides a comprehensive understanding of the internal strength and weakness of McDonald's as well as the external opportunity and threats in the microenvironment. So here are some pictures of both outlets.